How to send video Kapwing. So first go to Kapwing and then for example this is your video. So if you want to send this video, you can just click on export project here and then just click on MP4, choose your resolution and then your compression level. So next is just click on export MP4 and then let's just wait for it to, okay, let's just wait for it to export. Okay, next is you can just click on share here and send it to any of the social media platforms you want to send. So for example, you're going to send it to just one person. You can just click on download here. And then you can just open up your file, this file, and just send it to anyone that you want to send it to. For example, using Google Photos or Google Media, upload it or just email this video to them, whatever you want. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.